Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Learn English Fast podcast. I am Jessica.
And I am Mike. Hello to all our listeners. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening.
Today we have a very special episode. It is not just about English. It is about your life.
That sounds serious, Jessica. About your life. What is the topic?
The topic is morning habits, specifically 5 simple habits to start your day perfectly.
Oh, I love this topic. They say, if you win the morning, you win the day.
Exactly. Mike, let me ask you a question. What is the first thing you do when you open your eyes?
Can I be honest?
Of course. Be honest.
The first thing I do is look for my phone. I turn off the alarm, and then I open Instagram.
Mike, no, that is habit number 1. Or I should say the anti-habit.
Is it really that bad?
Yes, it is terrible. When you check your phone immediately, you see bad news, work emails, or other people's perfect lives. You feel stressed before you even leave your bed.
That is true. Sometimes I see an angry email from my boss, and my heart starts beating fast.
So, habit number 1 is no phone for 30 minutes.
30 minutes? That is difficult.
It is difficult, but necessary. Instead of your phone, do habit number 2.
What is habit number 2?
Drink a big glass of water.
Just water? Not coffee?
Water first, coffee second. Think about it, Mike. You sleep for 7 or 8 hours. You don't drink anything. Your body is dehydrated.
Dehydrated? That means my body needs water, right?
Yes. Your brain needs water to work. If you are tired in the morning, usually it is because you need water, not caffeine.
Okay, I will try this. Tomorrow morning, phone down, water up. What is habit number 3?
Habit number 3 is very simple, but it makes you feel successful. Make your bed. Make my bed? You mean organize the pillows and blankets? Yes, it takes only 1 minute, but it is your first task of the day.
I remember a famous speech about this. If you make your bed, you complete the first job of the day.
Exactly. It gives you a small feeling of pride. And when you come home at night, it is nice to see a clean, organized bed.
That makes sense. A messy bed makes a messy room, and a messy room makes a messy mind.
Wow, Mike, that was very poetic. A messy room makes a messy mind. I like that.
Thank you. I am learning. So we have no phone, drink water, make the bed. What is habit number 4?
Habit number 4 is move your body.
Oh no, do I have to go to the gym? I hate running in the morning.
No, you don't have to run. You don't have to lift heavy weights. Just move.
Like what?
Stretching, do some simple yoga poses, or do 10 jumping jacks, or just dance to your favorite song.
Dancing? In my pajamas?
Why not? The goal is to get your blood flowing. When you move, your body wakes up. Your energy goes up.
Okay, I can do some stretching. My back is usually stiff in the morning anyway.
Great. So you are hydrated, you are calm, your room is tidy, and your body is awake. Now, you are ready for habit number 5.
I am ready. What is it?
Plan your day.
You mean a to-do list?
Yes, but keep it simple. Don't write 20 things. Write down the 3 most important things you must do today.
Only 3?
Yes. If you have a long list, you feel overwhelmed, anxious. But 3 things, that is possible.
So, for example, 1. Finish the report. 2. Go to the supermarket. 3. Call my mother.
Perfect. That is a clear plan. You know exactly what to do. You have focus.
This sounds like a great routine, Jessica. It is not complicated.
No, it is not. Let's review the 5 habits for our listeners. 1. No phone in bed. 2nd, drink water. 3rd, make your bed. 4th, move your body. 5th, plan your day.
I think I can do this. It takes maybe 15 minutes total?
Yes, 15 minutes to change your whole day. And if you change your days, you change your life.
Listeners, we have a challenge for you. Try this routine tomorrow morning.
Yes. And tell us in the comments, which habit is the most difficult for you? Is it the phone or the exercise?
For me, it is definitely the phone. I am addicted.
We know, Mike, we know, but you can do it.
Thank you for the motivation, Jessica. And thank you everyone for listening.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more English tips. See you in the next episode.
Have a great morning. Bye, everyone.